Hey guys, Miss Biz here again, ready to talk to you about NTI Days 20 and 21. I want to start by reading the standard to you that we're working with this week. It says, make connections between the text of a story or drama and a visual presentation of the text. So we know what a visual presentation means. That means a video or a picture. Think back to earlier in the year when we were in the war unit and you guys were having to look at pictures without text and look at text without pictures. We did that with nonfiction. Now it's time to do it with fiction, and we have some really fun activities this week to do it with. So follow along with me, and I really hope that you enjoy these lessons as much as I think you will. Okay, here is day 20. That's today. Both of the following pictures have been copied from a play called The Goose That Laid the Golden Eggs. You are not going to read this play. Instead, you are going to look at the pictures and answer the questions that follow for both. So you're not actually going to read this play. You're going to have to guess what this play was about. Now, if your picture is kind of grainy like that one and it's hard to see, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this here for a second on your screen. Now, if you need to, you can pause this video right here and write about this picture. I'm also going to show you the second picture. This one I know is pretty dark in the packet and scanned on the website. So if you need to, you can pause your video right here to look at this picture too. Now, I'm going to go back and tell you the questions that you're going to answer about these pictures. So the first picture we know was that older woman holding something in her hand, right? You're going to answer these questions. What do you see? Tell about the picture part by part. So what is every single thing that you're seeing in that picture? Just what you're seeing. The next one is saying what is happening in the illustration. So you're not sure what is happening. So this is you making a prediction or a guess based on number one, all the things you see. What do you think's happening there? Next, what is the setting? We know what the setting means, when and where it's taking place. Do you think this picture is from the past, the present, or the future? And where do you think it might be taking place? Give me some details about that. How do you think the characters are feeling? Now, you don't know anything about them. There's no words. So you're going to have to look strictly at the pictures to figure out, kind of check out their faces, their body language, all those kind of things to figure out what they are feeling, how they are feeling. And you'll want to maybe describe the little boy is feeling this way. The old woman is feeling this way. The last question is, what do you think might be happening in this play? So that picture goes with a part of the play. What do you think's going on? Do you think it's a hint to the problem? And what do you think that hint is? Do you think that it is a problem? What do you think that problem is? Just tell me, what do you think is happening in that part of the story? Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for number two. For picture number two, answer those exact same questions. And for day 20, that is it. Now let's look at day 21. For day 21, today you have parts of a story, but you have no pictures to go with them. So you're going to read each part of the story that's been cut out, and below it, you're going to draw an illustration. Just like there was an illustration before that you had to write about, this time you're going to read a text and you're going to draw an illustration that you think is describing what you just read. So right here where it says draw your illustration, here is where I want you to draw a picture of what is happening in this text right here. Now, if this isn't not enough space for you, you can do this on a different piece of paper and include it with your packet. It also says after doing this to underline/highlight the text or explain why you chose to draw what you did. Now, this text isn't about a bunny, for example. So if I drew a bunny, it wouldn't make any sense. I have to make sure your drawing makes sense. So after you've drawn what goes along with the text, I want you to either underline what part of the text you were drawing or explain somewhere in the white space why you drew what you did. Here's the second part of that story. And after you read the second part of that story, you're going to draw a second illustration right here for what you think was happening in that second part of the story. So I think it's a pretty fun assignment. I hope you get to enjoy this. I hope you enjoy writing about a picture and drawing a picture. Don't forget to go back and underline the evidence or explain the evidence. I'll talk to you guys soon, and I hope you have a great day. I miss you. Bye-bye.